carrier's helicopters fly patrols and practice rescue missions. If there was an accident, Navy divers could quickly be lowered into the water by a special cable hoist to rescue downed air crews. Other helicopters search for submarines with sonar buoys. Buoys are lowered into the sea and send back computer images of the ocean floor. If a submarine was there, the crew would see it displayed on the screen. The helicopter raises the buoy and continues, searching in other locations, lowering the buoy again and again.